Hello friends, it's Alex of Basement Finish Pros here. I know it's been a while since our last video, but we've been very busy, and I finally have some time here to do a quick video on a basement that we finished about 3 months ago, if not more. It was a fun project, so yeah, let's check it out. As you can see, this basement has a bunch of cool features. The coolest part is probably the heated floors. We basically have heated floors through the entire basement. Yeah, it turned out to be pretty cool. We have a lot of cool rooms here, a gym area, kitchenette area, we have a crafts room, we have a bunch of cool barn doors. Yeah, this was a nice, fun little project.